Hi, I'm Justin Broussard with Erickson Foundation Solutions, and over here at Erickson, we specialize in a lot of waterproofing and structural projects, and my team in particular specializes in carpentry projects. And today we're going to talk a little bit about bulkheads. So first thing with a bulkhead when we get on site is we double check our measurements, rip the old one out carefully, make sure we don't tear out any siding. This day that we installed this one was particularly cold, so we made sure we didn't snap any. After that, we prep the area, clean it off real good, wire brush, diamond disc on a grinder, get it all nice and clean. Once the work site is clean and the bulkhead is assembled, we do a dry fit and make sure everything's nice and tight. And on certain bulkheads, this one in particular, the foundation was out of square, so we have to use our foundation plates. They're steel and they're primed the same color as the bulkhead itself. And when we set that in on top of the foundation plates, we'll set it in without the doors on. Once the doors are on, we install our weather stripping kit and then begin our caulking in process. What a weather stripping kit does is it tightens up the gaps and keeps heavy rain pour from coming in. While the bulkhead is being caulked in, the hydraulic pistons are installed to ensure that the doors don't fall in. Once the hydraulic pistons are set, we check the locking mechanism on the bulkhead itself and ensure that that is easily lockable. Benefits of this new bulkhead adverse to the old wooden one we had removed: less mold growth, less water, no rot's gonna occur because the other one was wooden, this is steel. If you have an old rusty bulkhead, we swap it out, you won't have any tetanus issues, cutting yourself, poking yourself, anything like that. Once our installation is complete, we do a nice walkthrough with the homeowner, have them go down, lock everything, unlock everything, open the doors up, have them nice and comfortable with everything, and then do a nice site cleanup and head out and they can enjoy their nice new bulkhead.